We want our faculty to be regarded as one of the best law faculties on the African continent and also in South Africa. And we try to do that through the successes of our alumni and also through our research publications. I'm Jacques de Wil, the Dean of the Law Faculty here at UWC. I used to be a lecturer, but for the past 6 years I've been the Dean of the Faculty. So UWC is of course known for the role that it played during apartheid, to resist apartheid. And the law faculty, specifically in the early 1990s, played a significant role in the drafting of the first democratic constitution. That happened at what it was then called the Community Law Center, with people like Dullah Omar, Albie Sachs, Bridget Mbandla being there and assisting with this. The law faculty is one of the top institutions in South Africa, ranked among the top 10. And that is particularly because of our teaching, the reputation that we have for our teaching, as well as for our research. So our staff publish in a number of fields, and their research really makes an impact internationally. So we have 4 academic departments. They are the usual departments of public law, private law, mercantile and labor law, and criminal justice and procedure. Then we have the Dullah Omar Institute. We have 4 research centers. So all these centers play a significant role in helping the faculty to respond to current crises in the world and to solve problems in the world. So at undergraduate level, we offer various entry points into the Bachelor of Laws program. So one can, for example, study a BCom law, BA law, or you can do any other degree and then you do your LLB over 3 years. We also have a 4-year LLB and a 5-year LLB. Then we also offer specialized courses in forensic examination and also in labor law. At postgraduate level, one can do a master's in various specializations in the faculty, also a doctorate in various specializations. And then we offer also, at the moment, 2 postgraduate diploma courses in labor law and also in public law.
I am Kanyisa Uluetufubu. I am doing my 4th year in the LLB degree, the 4-year stream. Since first year, I have been involved in leadership positions, ranging from Mood Society, Leaders in Demand, Black Lawyers Association, and so forth and so forth. The environment in its entirety has been a very warm environment, right? Because you don't only get assistance from the law faculty. For instance, there are other things within the institution that are meant for students that are not really funded. So there are programs that will ensure food insecurity, for instance, by the STS-DVC, wherein they give out food parcels and whatsoever, right? So it's not only that we are a student, but I would say it's a home away from home, so to speak, because you are catered for in all aspects that one would want to be catered for. I was the Moot Court chairperson. So through that, I was able to interact with judges from the High Court. I was able to interact with people advocates, interact with other people within the profession, right? Now, that opened a pool of networks for me because, for instance, I was able to job shadow one judge that I met through the law faculty by these organizations, right? But second to that, then I was able to build some sort of relationships with other advocates that I met. But then thirdly, then through the webinars that the faculty usually hosts and the organizations, I was able to learn more about what other things one can do with their LLB degree as opposed to doing the articles and being an admitted attorney and then, just going to practice or litigation. So yeah, it broadened my mind as to what other things can I do with my legal degree.
My lady, in this instance, import-export has not made any conduct or rather forged any weights to the applicants that Mr. Yang Ting has the authority to make such a representation. The applicant didn't verify the details of the account to make sure that they are making a deposit to import exports.
Counsel, is there any statutory obligation that mandates the
plaintiff to establish the correct account details. The reason why I'd recommend one to study within the law faculty is how the law faculty doesn't only brace you, the theoretical part of it, but also allows one to apply their mind to whatever legal content there is, right? Then second to that, it is the open door policy that the lecturers have. I don't remember a time whereby I was shut down by a lecturer just because I did not book a schedule with them. The third thing is the diversity within the institution, right? You will find very diverse people, and there is no thing of one being neglected just because they're from a particular tribe, particular race, country, or whatsoever, right? What I usually say is that you need, I usually say that like carelessly, but that is how people within the faculty are and within the institution. But also considering the fact that UWC is considered to have the best law faculty. I think that's another thing that could attract one to study within the faculty. Yeah.